Hi, I'm Harry. This is my community activities. Name game. The game is two-player game that involves removing stones from a pile of stones. The game takes turns, and the player who removes the last stone from the last pile wins the game. That's the game's rules. This game has two models. They are PvP and PvC. It means player vs player and player vs computers. Now let me demonstrate the first one, the PvP, player vs player. Let me show you the player vs player. You can see here is the number of stones in the first pile. Okay, maybe let me take a 10. Take out. You can see here is 3. Now let me see the player 2, the second player. Maybe I take 3. It becomes 0. So it's, let me see the second pile. Let me take like 15. Okay, it's 0 now. And then in the third pile, if I want to win, if the player 2 want to win, he just need to take 7. Okay, player 2 win. Let me show you the more maybe that I take out, and then player 2 in the second pile take a 10. I think maybe 3. Okay, 0. Let me take the 18. Okay. I take 1. Okay, the player 1 wins. Okay, next comes the hardest part of the game. How to make the computer has a certain intelligence. I found that as long as you get 0xy, you will win. So the first one is to first judge whether there is a quantity of 0 in 3 piles of stones, and if so, turn it into 0xx and give it to the another party. There as long as he take as much as he takes, so he will win. Now let me show you player with computer. You can see like I said, let me take 10 in the first pile. Get 1, 22, And in second, maybe I take 12. See, if I take anyone is if one computer win. Let me show you more. I take one, take out. You can see he changed it 11, 11. This is 0xx. If you take 3, oh sorry, take 3, second xx 88, yeah, like 0xx. So you take 8, computer wins. Now let me tell the second way the computer like when I get 1 x plus 1, I will win. If the number of the 3 pairs in last that 1, we first change one of the pairs into 1 and make the others 2 pairs into x and x in the from of like add 1. Then as long as you keep 1 x plus 1, the first first situation, like the 0xx will appear in the end, so the computer will win. Let me show you. Like I take 115. You can see, like I said, it's 1 x plus 1. Let me see. I take 3. Like 1 x plus 1. Just take. I take 3. It's 1 1. I take 1. The computers win. Yeah, that's thank you for watching.